and welcome to Nature Watch, or Geogog Falch Nature Watch. This week we're up in the highlands of Eire, looking at the local life, and I've got a little snippet of information that we may find the Beast of Bognorr. If you follow me, here we have some wildlife. Indigenous to the local area, probably. We might get a word with the farmer here. Goodness gracious me! These are wee beasties, apparently indigenous to the local area. We see them apparently. Nice to meet you. Well, apparently he's quite busy at the moment, and maybe I can't speak to us. Maybe we'll do a wee interview with him a little bit later on. But if I give you a wee snippet about what we'll be doing later on, apparently, as I said before, we got a wee lead on the Beast of Bognorr, but I'll be telling you a wee bit more about that later on. Okay, good luck and goodbye.